Good morning, Safari City. But wait, what's that sound?
Whoa, what's that noise?
Finn, did you hear that? It's coming from the city.
Mystery detected. Time for some high-tech gadgets.
Let's go, Finn. We need to find the source of this noise.
The sound is strongest here. What could it be?
Is the sky train shaking? What's happening?
Look, everyone is looking for the sound, too.
I'll scan again. Maybe we'll find a clue.
Whoa! It's getting louder.
I've read about this before. This could be ancient sound technology.
The scanner says it's coming from the forest district. Let's go.
Whoa! This place feels different. Do you hear that, Finn?
This sound, it matches an ancient legend.
We're getting closer. The sound is stronger here. Wait, something's moving in there.
Hello? Who's there? We're not here to hurt you.
It's moving. Be ready, Luna.
Dot, I didn't mean to scare you.
Who? Who are you? Are you the one making that sound?
I didn't mean to scare anyone. My name is Echo. I can't control it. The sound, it's not supposed to be this loud.
Let me scan. Maybe I can understand what's happening to you. Whoa, Echo, your energy is connected to the city's sound waves.
So my voice is connected to the city, but why can't I control it?
I think I have an idea, Echo. What if we adjust your sound frequency?
Okay, I'll try, but I don't know if I can do it. I can feel it. The sound is changing. I can do this. I just have to focus. Here goes. I will make it right.
Let's go back and see the city.
The city is peaceful once again, filled with harmony and joy.
We did it. The city is safe.